Hi you guys, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am coming along with the project share, and this is for a swap that I joined that was hosted by my sweet friend Jen. And I think it's, oh my goodness, I always forget the channels like right when I'm doing the video, and I'm like, I am so apologetic, but I will link her down in the description here, you guys, so that way you guys can go over, check her out. And yeah, anyways, so she was my partner. She was the host and my partner. So, oh my goodness. Anyways, so we were supposed to do a pocket letter, and I can't remember what else we were supposed to do, but I will show what I have done so far because I am ready to practically finish and just doing my um last minute checklist and just yeah, but yeah, of course I don't have even the checklist in front of me. So anyways, so I think it was supposed to be a it was supposed to be a pocket letter and a was it a sweet treat or was it, oh my goodness, an ATC was one of them, I believe, or an ATC or Dex. So this is what I ended up creating. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? Oh my goodness, isn't that cute? I love it. I actually love how it came out. So some of the items are, it's a double-sided loaded pocket. Yeah. Oh my goodness. So, oh my goodness. So these are die cuts she could just take out and pull and play with, and so are these. And then, so it's basically this and these right here. And I don't remember if I put something. We'll turn it around and we'll see right now. Might have to put something in there. So it's these, this, and this. So you should pull this out and use this, and as well as this one right here. So isn't that cute? So we were supposed to use flamingo, watermelon, or a sweet, like a sweet treat thing. So that is what I created, and then I just did summer here, and I just, yeah. Anyways, look at you guys, how pretty. Oh my goodness, I love this, how this came out. And then on the other side is, there you go, this is the other side. And as you guys can see, these have items on there as well. And this one is more like the watermelon, like the flamingo is supposed to be the flamingo on this side too. And the watermelon, and on the other side was a sweet treat. So yeah, look at it, isn't that cute? I love it. I love how this came out. Came out amazing. Love it, love it. Anyways, so here is an extra item that I will be sending her. Here is my memory dex card. So there you guys go. Oh my goodness, I think this is so adorable. I did get the Chaos Craft, oh my goodness, Chaos Craft die, and I did use that. You guys could see some of these items are here. I do want to say that I did, with the help of some YouTubers, watching their videos while I'm working, I was able to, oh my goodness, some of your guys' ideas are amazing, and they just, I gotta copy some of you guys, how you guys do some stuff. So anyways, so I'm also sending her this, and that is it, you guys. Oh, and then this right here, see if I forget. Sending her this right here. This just has some an item in there, so I just went ahead and just pieced it together, and that is it. So yeah, hopefully Jen likes everything I created. You guys go over, check her out. Oh my goodness, love everything I made. And thank you guys for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.